Welcome to Module 5.11, Integration at Methods and Data Level. In this session, we'll focus on how integration plays out in the execution of a study, specifically in how methods are connected and how data are brought together to produce meaningful, mixed insights. Integration at these levels is crucial for achieving coherence, depth, and utility in mixed methods research. Methods integration occurs when the tools and procedures used in one strand are intentionally linked to or shaped by the other. For example, survey items may be directly informed by themes identified in qualitative interviews, or an interview guide might be adjusted to probe deeper into unexpected quantitative findings. This process often involves building one phase from the other and modifying methods iteratively as the study evolves. Effective integration also improves cross-method validity by ensuring the measures and questions across strands align and complement one another. In sequential designs, data integration often occurs through building, where results from the first phase directly inform the design of the second. For example, qualitative findings might be used to develop survey items, or a quantitative analysis might guide participant selection for follow-up interviews. This approach allows researchers to elaborate on results, clarify unexpected patterns, or deepen the focus on specific subgroups. Integration through building supports a logical progression and strong internal alignment between study components. Another common approach is merging data, which often occurs in concurrent designs. Researchers might conduct a side-by-side comparison where qualitative and quantitative results are presented and interpreted together. Joint displays, tables, or visuals that integrate findings are especially useful for showing areas of convergence or divergence. Some studies use data transformation, converting qualitative codes into numerical form, or vice versa. Case-oriented merged analysis combines multiple data types within individual cases. Finally, pattern matching compares trends across data sets to identify agreements, inconsistencies, or explanatory relationships, enhancing the credibility and insight of the overall study.